This is the Rue de la République in Lyon, France. Off in the distance you can see the Alps. I'm at number 68 on the 6th floor. There's always steady traffic, foot traffic, cycles, honking, dogs barking, children crying, women screaming. It's very loud, very lively. People spying on each other from windows. And the grifter's back. This one goes after women with bags. I saw him earlier. Here comes one. Oh, he's gonna let her go. I saw him earlier with a group of Romas. Looked like his family. A couple of babies, a few women and babushka. He has a petition, and the petition is for helping the disabled babies and disabled children. This is pretty common. Oops, where did you go? There it is. A lady with a bag. He's always looking for the ladies with the bags. Another lady with a bag. Most people know the game, so they let it go, but every now and then he catches one. And he's back out of the trees again. Huh, surprise. Another lady.